Hey folks, I'm back for another video. This is back on the gas-powered table saw. Let me show you. So here it is. The motor goes down there. That motor goes down there. But here is what I ran into. While trying to pull this off using those two bolt holes, somehow, well, you know how, I went into the coil. So right now I'm at a standstill on this. I can get a condenser. I can get just about everything else. Coils look, the points look good, but I'm needing this right here. I needed the coil. Comes all the way out and down to here. I'm needing one of these. If anybody out there knows where I can get one, let me know. Just trying to find that part. Very hard to find, considering this thing was made back in the 50s, 60s, or 70s. So if you have any idea where I can get one of those coils, anybody know where I can get a coil like that for this motor, goes in there inside of this thing, I'd appreciate you leaving something in the comments so I can follow up, and maybe I can get this thing back together and running. Anyhow, sorry for such a short video, but just about all the equipment here on this guy's property I've gotten working, except for this one. So please leave it in the comments below if you know where I can find one of those coils. Thanks, and have a great day.